A Western Maryland man is now charged with threat of mass violence after an incident at a regional medical center. Washington County police say last month, 32-year-old Michael Smith was in the emergency department at Meritus Medical Center when staff learned he had been tested positive for COVID-19 prior to his arrival. Now, Smith was asked to wear a protective bandana. He refused to, and that is when police say he started assaulting the staff and then even coughed several times at the deputy and security officer. The deputy was wearing a face mask, gloves, and glasses, and Smith is now being held in Washington County with no bond.